This video will teach you how to create an account, log into the system, manage the company structure, and set up recipes and coffee machines. First, please log into www.hiroia.com/pro/admin to register an account for your company. You can switch the system language by clicking on Language in the upper right corner. Each company can only create one company account, which has administrator privileges to manage groups, stores, accounts, recipes, etc. All fields marked with asterisk are required. Please enter any purchased coffee machine serial number in the serial number field. Please check your email for the activation link and set a password to start using your account after logging in. When you log into the system for the first time, a default group and store will be automatically created for you. When you create additional groups, stores, or user accounts in the future, be sure to select the correct group on the home page so that you can manage the recipes or machines assigned to that group. You can modify your company information here if needed. A group is composed of multiple stores and you can click on +add to create a new group. The system will automatically create a default group with your company name, and you can modify it by going to the Group Management page. You can set group recipes and machine configurations, which can be synchronized with Samantha II under the group with one click, such as water tank temperature control, automatic water replenishment setting, and coffee brewing recipes. A store is a location where Samantha II is being used. The system will automatically create a default store, and if you need to modify it, please go to the Store Management page to make adjustments. To add a new store, please select the corresponding group above and click +add to create a new store. On this page, you can enable the automatic shutdown function. After checking the box, please set the time zone and automatic shutdown time of the store and save the settings. Before creating a recipe, please select the group. The recipe is only visible to users in that group. ABCD brewing recipes are the default recipes on Samantha II. Click +add and fill in all required information for the recipe. Then click Add to create a new recipe. Please select the corresponding group before setting up the group recipe. The group recipe consists of 4 recipes and can be synchronized to all machines under the group with one click. After setting up the group recipe, please click Set Recipe to synchronize the recipe. Select the machine from Group Store Machine list. The settings for the 4 coffee recipes are displayed on the selected coffee machine. You can change the settings for each recipe from the recipe list. If you do not want to use group recipes on that machine, check the Use Customized Recipe function. Set your custom recipe save. Before performing group settings, please select the correct group. In the group settings, you can set the constant temperature of the water tank and the upper and lower limits for automatic water replenishment. On this page, you can turn off the water tank's constant temperature and automatic water replenishment functions. After setting and clicking Save, it will be applied to all machines under this group with one click. After selecting a store, click +add to add a new machine. The Add Machine feature here is only available for devices running Windows and Android systems. If you are using an Apple device, please use the iOS Samantha II app to add a new machine. The newly added machine here will belong to the selected company group store. Please follow the system prompts to add the coffee machine. User account creation here is for group accounts. Please select a group before any operation. Account permissions. Group staff, operational permissions. Group admin, users can manage groups, stores, coffee machines, and recipes with employee permissions and create user accounts for groups. Create a user account and assign a role. Users should set a password and activate the account from the received email. Administrators can send password reset emails here.